Hey, in this video I'll show you how to use our video SEO embedding tool. First thing you need to do is to go to Tools, to License. Here you put your license ID, license key. You've got via email and click OK. When your license is in place, here you can choose whatever you want. Here in general it's a place for a keyword, and this keyword gonna be used as an anchor text, but not directly pointing to your video, but to pointing this anchor text will be pointing to the posts themselves. So I'll put here just a keyword which gonna be how to lose weight, because this is an example video, how to lose weight, and I'll just do it lowercase. Here you put your YouTube video ID, which in this case is here. This is the YouTube ID. When you do this, like when you click the share button, it's gonna be here, right at the end of the short URL, and you put it here. If you see something like this, you just click OK, because you need to click generate a unique assault key, and it shows up here. You just copy it, you paste it here, and you click run, and pretty much that's it. The software gonna be loading commands and validating the license and doing its work. It's gonna be doing the stuff. At some point at your desktop, like in the desktop, you will see the folder like this showing up. Here it will be created automatically, and when the tool gonna start doing the embeds, here will the separate folder show up. You will not see this example because I created this one to have some reports examples from the tools, but in a moment you will see the folder showing up here. Oh yeah, yes, it just showed up. And when you click inside of it, in a moment it will contain several different types of backlinks, like Blogger, and Tumblr, and other backlinks. You click here, and the Blogger should be already there. When you click it, you have at this point it's 1259, or no, it's 260 even blogs. We can check how they look like. And as you can see, this is our embed. This is a link to our video. Its source and the URL, it's safe, and when you click how to lose weight, which is our keyword, it points back to the same place, the same URL. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use the tool, and when it's done, it will show up the window that it's done. While the tool is working, you can simply minimize it and do your things, whatever you want to do online on your computer. It's working in the background. Okay, after a couple of minutes, the software completed the submission. We click, it's the pop-up saying done. I click OK. And if you want to submit another video, just click reset, and you put your keyword. Like I said, it may be keyword something, YouTube video title, whatever, but the most important is YouTube ID, unique slot key, which you generate by clicking here, your keyword, click run, and that's it. If you have any problems with the software, please let me know. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them via email, support@myiamplace.com, or contact me on Facebook via our fan page, or you can ask questions inside of our group. So I wish you a lot of success in your business, and see you